sell cigarettes to my son to bring home. So the lady was all calling my mother to make sure that the dope was legit.
Yeah.
Well, while she had her back to me, I was stealing magazines, Playboys, Hustlers,
Okay.
Penthouse,
Oh yeah. All you need is the booze.
Swank, all of them.
You got the smokes and the porno. All you need to do is steal some malt liquor, man. It's a party.
Listen, I was stealing all these. Now I blame my mom because I